How do you pair your phone to your new Volvo? Let's get into it. With your vehicle on, you're going to want to go to connect your phone, hit the connect button. Once it loads up, click pair new device right here on the left-hand side. From there, it'll be visible as Volvo XC90. Now you're going to want to go into your phone settings, hit Bluetooth right there, scroll all the way down to other devices, and hit Volvo XC90. It'll ask if this code is the same as the one on your infotainment system, double check that and click pair. Here's where I give my infotainment system permission to access my phone and my media for music and phone calls. Hit done. To double check that it's actually paired, we'll click the back button right here and make sure it says your name and the iPhone. I'm going to click here to show you how to go through it. You can go to your recent calls, your contacts, or you can dial out on a keypad right here. The second way you can connect your phone is via Carplay or Android Auto. You'll want to make sure that you have your USB-C charger handy. When you open up your center console, you will notice two ports. The top one circled in white is for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The bottom one is secondary. You are prompted almost immediately after you plug in your phone. You're going to want to click accept for CarPlay on your infotainment system and accept on your phone. Once you do that, you can see basically your iPhone or your Android projected right onto the screen. You can use your music, your podcast, any app that you'd like from here.